Spread some holiday cheer this season with this easy gingerbread snack cake. Welcome to episode 5 of turning leftover pumpkin into Christmas desserts. This is my 5th and final episode in this series, and it's my favorite. This gingerbread snack cake is filled with holiday spice, decorated with a simple stencil, and served with fresh-made whipped cream for a quick and easy holiday cake that everyone will love. Start by adding 113 grams of softened butter to a stand mixer. Next, add in 113 grams of dark brown sugar, 85 grams of blackstrap molasses, and 44 grams of maple syrup. It's best to weigh the molasses and maple syrup right into the bowl so you get the exact amount really easily. Mix together until there are no butter chunks. Add in 2 large eggs, half a cup of milk, and 57 grams of pumpkin puree. If you don't have pumpkin, feel free to use sour cream in its place. Mix on low until combined. Last, add in 320 grams of all-purpose flour. My favorite is Karen Spring Mills, a fresh flour mill that's up in Washington, and I'll link it in the description. And add in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, ginger, cloves, and baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix together until a smooth batter forms. Be sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl and mix again to ensure you have all ingredients combined. No butter chunks, no flour bits, and you have a smooth, uniform batter. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and line an 8x8 inch baking pan with parchment paper. Transfer the batter to the pan and spread it out evenly. Bake at 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. If your cake comes out of the oven a bit domed, take a spatula and press it down while the cake is still hot to even it out. This is my top trick for flattening cakes instead of trimming them. Once the cake has cooled, remove it from the pan and cut it into 9 slices. Using holiday stencils, place a stencil on top of each piece. Do this individually as it's easier and it ensures you don't get any powdered sugar on the other slices. Sift powdered sugar on top of the stencil, then remove it. This part is totally optional, and if you don't have stencils, you can just sift powdered sugar on top of the cake as well, but I'll link some holiday stencils in the description. I like to serve this cake with homemade whipped cream. I'll link my recipe in the description as well. This gingerbread snack cake is a simple and festive cake that is so easy to make. Even with 0 decorating skills, you can make a beautiful Christmas cake just like this. If you want more organic Christmas recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen. Happy holidays from my kitchen to yours.